What are going optimizers? What's up? Optimized Living coming to you again with another device. This is the Xiaomi Dafang camera. Yes, I said it. It's Xiaomi Dafang. Yes. Alright. I'm gonna go throughout this video and tell you what this camera can do for you, its capabilities, how you can use it in your home to protect what you have in your home or any other residence or your workplace. I'm going to show you this camera in and out, right? It's an affordable one. It has great features, great capabilities, and it can add many benefits to the security of your home. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna start the unboxing right now. As you can see, it gives you the specification in some bulletin formats at the side, showing the capabilities of what it's all about. Alright, so this is suggesting that it goes 120 degrees back and forth, and it's giving you the scope in terms of the specification of focus and all of that. So let's pull it. Alright, so here's a trusty knife, or opener. Alright, flipping open the box, getting all the contents that's inside of the box. Alright, seeing a manual thing here with bar scan code. Alright, there's a box here also. Right, in that box it has a brick plug, so I guess to power the device with the cable. Okay guys, so as was said, these are the three components that are in the box itself, which is a cable, and on the end of the cable is the micro SD, not the micro SD, the micro USB port or card end, and the USB port end. And of course you have the brick or the adapter for the device itself, which is a 5 volt or 200 milliamp brick that we're going to use to connect the device. And of course the piece, the resistance, the Xiaomi Dafang camera itself. Alright, most of it is in Chinese, but essentially what is on the device is a USB slot, and also we have the speaker at the back of the device. There is a circular base that I'm gonna show you how that operates when it's on. Also, there's a slot here, like a button that you can press to reset the device, and at the front of the device is the camera itself. Alright, the device itself is jam-packed with all sorts of goodies. It has a 1920 1080 resolution, and it has an angle view of 120 degrees, and pretty much 6 LED lights are in it, and it can basically pan horizontally 360 degrees. Alright, so right around, and it can pan and tilt vertically at 93 degrees. That is the camera angle here, so it can go 360 around like this, horizontally and vertically up and down. Alright, so we're gonna fit it up. Alright, it's quite easy. what I did was madness first. It's not here. You're not gonna plug it here. We're gonna actually plug the micro USB in here. So this essentially look like it can hold USB storage. So, and then we're gonna plug this here and plug it in. All right. So we're gonna plug it in now and see how it reacts. All right. And there it's moving around, calibrating. All right. Next, what we're gonna do based on the instruction, we're gonna set up the app on the phone. Depending on your phone, it is the Xiaomi or the Mi app, and we're gonna try the Mi app here and install it. All right, so we're gonna allow it to install and check it out when we come back. Okay, so the app has been installed. Now we're gonna open it and we're gonna agree to the terms here. Click agree again for user experience. All right, on setting this device up, because it's a Chinese made device and I've read that it had some region problems for setting it up. For some persons who try to set it up who are not in China or so, if they're in another country, it may trigger a response to say that it's in the wrong region. So we're gonna search for the option for China or mainland China. All right, so this is a Chinese mainland option, so we're gonna click on that and click save, and then we're gonna sign in. All right, so I've already had a sign in option, so I'm gonna sign in now and go into the app. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna log into the device now, sign in with our account that we have created, and show you what's up. Okay, so it's been signed in now, signing into the app. Pardon the smudges on the phone, should have wiped it off. All right, so we're clicking next, accept. You can scroll and look for the device here. Add the device. Search for it. You click down below and click video camera. Click next. Click the no QR option and click this one here. Over to the end. Xiao. Click device reset, and then you flip the device over and follow along. Then you click the device reset button. Right, then you click on your Wi-Fi, put in your Wi-Fi password, click next, and there it has the barcode coming up on the phone. What you're gonna do, put the barcode in front of the camera of the device, when you hear that, you're gonna click next. That means it's accepted. You can see it's there searching for the device, and it's gonna connect any minute, any second now. All right, so as you can see, it's added. Device is added here. All right, put it in the living room. Next, the phone, you can rename it. So I'm gonna rename it and call it living room camera. and click next. Click next. Do not share. Don't prompt. And that's it, guys. It's easy as that. I'm gonna agree. And there you see. So basically, you're seeing the views of the device right now from the phone. Alright. And you can also, when it's like during the night or so, you can get the night vision on it. You can always expand. Alright. So it's quite nifty. Right, so I can change the night vision here. See, and you see the color kicks. Yeah. So guys, that's a Xiaomi Dafang camera. Quite nifty here. You can get yourself one. Alright. Just check the description below for one. Please subscribe, guys, for more. I'm coming to you with some bangers. Just look forward to my next video. I'm gonna have some awesome devices coming. So just check out Optimized Living devices on our pages, and you'll see what we have in store. All right, peace out.